again, and since it's becoming fall and winter, we might have to remove it. Kiki's cooking show for once a week, once a month.
Or maybe we won't be able to do it at all until spring starts again.
Yeah, and then we can make a spring happy cake.
Yes, and don't forget the Halloween cake.
Yeah, or a spring happy cookies.
Spring happy cookies. Seasonal sweets.
Yeah. Yummy. We're making star fruit sandwiches today.
It's all about you. It's all about you. You're the shining star. It's all about you. I'm star fruit.
Star fruit. First, we cut the star fruit straight down. Star fruit doesn't taste right.
It tastes like a sour apple.
A sour lime apple.
No. Scrap the star fruit sandwiches. Let's make something else.
Yeah, sorry about the disgusting star fruit. But today we're gonna make apple banana butterflies.
If no one heard what Kiki said, she said apple banana butterflies.
Apple banana butterflies!
You sang a little bit too loud, Kiki.
I know, I meant to say that because I'm excited. Because how are we gonna turn this into a butterfly?
Well, we're gonna see. So Kiki, first we slice it down the middle.
Good.
Gonna do that off camera.
This is how we cut the bananas. We cut little slivers of apples for the butterfly's antennas. Put the wing at the side of the butterfly like this. Done with your delicious...
Oh, hold up. You're not done. What about us?
What?
Yeah.
I wasn't planning on using you.
I'd be used for the butterfly's eyes. And then more extra flavor with some applesauce. Come on. Yeah. Spread it.
Fine.
Yay.
Apparently, we're going to spread some applesauce.
Looks tasty.
Apparently, now we put jelly for eyes like this.
I can't open my mouth.
And how are you talking?
I don't know. Oh, thank you. Let's do this. Cut little holes for the eyes. Then we put the jelly in.
And it looks like it's finished, but it also looks like poop. Watery poo-poo eyes. And no, it doesn't. It looks strawberry-y. Yeah.
Smucker's natural strawberry cake spread. And some unsweetened applesauce. A random encounter on Kiki's cooking show. Oh, banana butterflies. The plate looks disgusting, but it's actually delicious.
Yeah. Wait, we haven't tried it yet.
Alright, I don't want to destroy it though. Well, I'll see in the comments how it tastes.
We never do that.
Well, now we will. You. So say bye, Kiki.
Bye. Say bye, Mr. Coffee.
Bye.
Wait.
What? Bye. Bye.
How am I not home? down.